Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the phone usable right away. Charge to around 50% and toggle low power mode if you need longer setup time. Insert a SIM or set up eSIM in settings cellular so you have service. This ensures calls and activation proceed. Sign in with your Apple ID and turn on iCloud backups and find My iPhone so data syncs and restores automatically. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is connected to speed app downloads and complete any carrier or software activation steps. Next, secure and personalize the iPhone. Set up Face ID and a strong passcode so biometric unlocking is fast and protected. Customize Control Center and notification settings to reduce interruptions, and create a focus profile for work or sleep. This preserves battery and attention. Update to the latest iOS and install key apps from the App Store. Review privacy permissions so apps access only what they need. Once configured, you'll notice smoother performance, fewer distractions, and better battery life. Finish by enabling productivity tweaks. Set back tap actions, refine gestures, and turn on assistive features if you prefer shortcuts. Activate iCloud Photos and Shortcuts automations to keep media and routines synced across devices. This saves time and prevents duplicates. Test camera, calls, and AirPlay to ensure everything works. If something fails, restart the phone first, then reset network settings. Finally, check Apple system status for outages. If problems persist, contact Apple support or visit an authorized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.